In a situation where a judge decides a case wrongly out of motives, it shakes the faith of the litigant public and by extension the whole society. Such a judge, who does not maintain highest standard of integrity, has no right to continue to occupy the chair as a judicial officer. In the same vein, if a judicial officer is found to be corrupt, then he cannot be allowed to hold such a defined chair of a judge. Public opinions, sentiments, or emotions can never take the place of the law in deciding the cases that come before you. The law remains the law, no matter whose interest is involved. In all we do, as interpreters of the law, we should endeavor to sever the strings of emotion from logic and assumption from fact. We should never be overwhelmed by the actions or loud voices of the mob or crowd.
Once the Legal Professionals Privileges Committee, pursuant to the provisions of paragraph 26, subparagraph 4 of the guidelines, withdraws the rank from any holder who may have breached the provisions in subparagraph A to E to H, the withdrawal is final and the rank cannot be restored afterwards.
Ironic that the guidelines for the conferment of the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria 2022 requires all applicants to submit a minimum of 4 final judgments of the Supreme Court in which they were lead counsel and which must have been delivered in the last 10 years to be eligible for consideration for the rank. This singular requirement puts undue pressure on the Supreme Court.
More than 90% of these attacks stem from election-related matters, which in so many ways have affected the other matters being handled by the courts.